Good morning children. Welcome to grade 5 computer science online class. So children, we are dealing with the chapter 4, that is advanced features of Word 2016. Advanced features of Word 2016. So in the previous class we have discussed about some topic, isn't it ma? So just we can recall the things what we learned in the previous class. Okay. So first we learned about the header and footer feature in Word 2016, isn't it? So what is header? Yes, header is an area in the top margin of the Word document. Okay, so header will be appear at the top margin of a document. Then footer is an area, it will be appear at the bottom margin of the document. Okay, so footer is the area in the bottom margin of the document. So if you add the footer and the header in our document, means it will give some important features, there is important informations in our document. It may be a document name or chapter name or page number or the date and time. Okay, so children, header and footer options are available on which tab ma? Yes, it is appear under the insert tab. Okay, so we can able to see the header and footer options available under the insert tab. Okay, then we have learned about adding the date and time, isn't it? Adding the date and time. So we can able to add the date and time. That means the current date and time we can able to add it under the header and footer tool. Okay, under the header and footer tool we have the design tab. By using that design tab we can able to have the current date and time. Okay, and also we can able to change the date and time automatically every time if you open the document by clicking the update automatically. Okay, so you can able to change the date and time automatically every time by opening the document. If you click on the update automatically, okay, if you click on the update automatically, you can change the date and time. Okay, then the date and time options are available in which tab? Yes, it is appear under the design tab, but it is in the insert group. Okay, and don't forget date and time available in the insert group. Okay, then what we learn ma? Next we have learned about how to adding the page number, isn't it? How to adding the page number. This to adding the page number in our document, it is also present under design tab. Okay, under the design tab, like the date and time, the adding page number also we can able to use it by using the design tab. Okay, next we have learned about how to editing and deleting the header and footer. So if you want to delete the header and footer, means just you have to click on the close header and footer. Okay, you have to click on where ma? Close header and footer in the design tab. Otherwise you have to click on the escape key in our keyboard. Okay, so if you want to close the header and footer, means you have to click on the close header and footer option available under the design tab. Otherwise you have to click on the escape key in the keyboard. Okay, so these are things we learned in the previous class. So today we can learn about the one more feature in the Word 2016. Okay, so let's start today's class. So children, today we are going to see about the next feature of the Word 2016 is footnotes and end notes. Footnotes and end notes. This footnotes and end notes provides the explanation, commands or reference for the text in the document. Okay, so footnotes and the end notes provides explanations or reference for text in the document. And this footnote appear at the bottom of the page. Okay, the footnote appears at the bottom of the page, and whereas the end notes appears at the end of the page, end of the document or section. Okay, so footnote appear at the bottom of the page. Okay, bottom of the page, what will appear ma? The footnote. But the end notes appear at the end of the document. Okay, don't confuse with that. Last class we have discussed about header and footer. No, so header is appear at the top margin of the document and the footer will be appear at the bottom margin of the document. But here footnote appear at the bottom of the page and the end notes appear at the end of the document. And this footnote or an end note consists of two linked parts. Okay, the footnotes or the end notes consist of two linked parts, and first one is the note reference mark. Okay, first one is what ma? Note reference mark, and second one is the corresponding note text. Corresponding note text. So first one is note reference mark, isn't it? So note reference mark is placed next to the relevant text in the main document. So where we can place this note reference mark? The note reference mark is placed next to the relevant text in the main document, and this it may be the note reference mark. It may be a number or a character or a combination of the character. Okay, it may be a number or the character means what? Letters. Okay, letters or symbols, or maybe combinations of the characters. Okay, and it includes the additional information is to be found in the linked footnote or the end notes. Okay, so the note reference mark indicates that the additional information is to be found in the linked footnote or end notes. Okay, so we can see how to insert the footnotes and end notes in our document. So children, now we can see how to insert the footnotes and end notes. How to inserting the footnotes and end notes in our document. So children, the header and footer is available under the insert tab, and this footnotes and end notes are available in the reference tab. Okay, there is two differences there. Header and footer is available in the insert tab. This footnotes and end notes are available in the reference tab. Okay, reference tab. So if you want to insert the footnotes and end notes in a document, means we have to follow some steps. Okay. So first step is position the cursor at the point in the main text you want to insert the footnote or end note. So we have to keep the cursor at the point in the main text where you want to insert the footnote or the end note. So I have kept the cursor here. Okay, now cursor is here. Next we have to click on the reference tab. Okay, we have to click on the reference tab. Here we have the reference tab. So just if you click means we can see the footnote group. Okay, here we have the footnote group. This is a footnote group. So in the footnote group we can see insert the footnote, otherwise inserting end note. Okay, we have two options that will be available. It may be a insert footnote or insert end note. Okay, so now we have the insert footnote. So this insert, okay, this will insert the note reference mark. So this insert footnote will insert the note reference mark. Okay, so now we can click on the insert footnote. Okay, insert footnote. So once you click on the insert footnote, the footnote is inserted in our document. So how we can check it means, see here you can see this is the footnote available at where it is available at the bottom of the page. This is our page. No, it is at the bottom of the page we can see the footnote. So our main text is where? Our text is at the top. So we have a character. Okay, if we inserting the footnote or end notes, we learned that we will have the note reference mark. The note reference mark, it may be a number or a character, or it may be a combination of the character. So here we have a number. Okay, so this is what note reference mark. Okay, note reference mark. So at the bottom we have, at the top we have the number. That means I kept the cursor here now. So the number is, that means the note reference mark is appear here at the top of the document, at the top of the page, and the footnote is available at the bottom of the page. Okay, so here now we can type the text here. Okay, now the cursor will be moved to the next to the footnote or end notes at the bottom of the page. So we can see the footnote is at the bottom of the page, otherwise at the end of the document. Now we can text the footnote or the end notes. Okay, now we can type the text. So here I am going to type. So now I have typed the text in the footnote or end note. So the footnote or the end note is available at the bottom of the page at the end of the document. Okay, next if you double click the footnote or end note, the number to return to the document, it will shows the document in the footnote. So if you click on the, you can see the number in the footnote or end notes. No, so if you click on this number or the character, means it will be take us to the footnote and end notes. Okay, so here also if you click on here, means it will goes to the end of the page. Understood? Just you have to click on the number or character is available in the note reference mark. So it will take it as to the footnote or the end notes of the document. I understood this. So next we can see the question answers and book exercise based on this topic, that is footnote and end note. So children, now we can see the book exercise of the chapter 4 in page number 52. Okay, in page number 52 you have the book exercise of chapter 4. Look at the first one. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. The answers, everything is given in the box. We have to pick up and write the correct answer in the corresponding place. Okay. See, first one, a dash is the area at the top page in the margin. Dash is the area at the top of a page in a margin. So if you see margin, okay, at the top of the margin, what we have, ma? Yes, we have the header. Okay, header is the area at the top of a page in the margin. Look at next one. To change the date and time automatically, every time you open the document, select dash. If you want to change the date and time automatically in our document, we have to select which one, ma? Update automatically. We have to click on the update automatically option, okay, in the date and time futures. See, once again, to change the date and time automatically, every time you open the document, select update automatically. Update automatically. UPDATE. Update automatically. 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 Next, third one. The date and time option is available in the dash group. See, once again, the date and time option is available in the dash group. Which group? Insert group. Okay, insert group. See, once again, date and time option is available in the insert group. Fourth one, dash appear at the end of the page. End of the page. They are not asking end of the document. End of the document means it is end note. Okay, end of the page, what will appear, ma? Footnote. Okay, footnote appears at the end of the page. End of the page. Footnote. Okay. See, next one, footnotes and end notes can be inserted by using the dash tab. Footnote and end notes can be inserted by using the dash tab. So under the reference tab, we can see the footnote and end notes, isn't it? So we can write reference. REFERENCES. Reference. Okay, reference tab. No, footnotes and end notes can be inserted by using the reference tab. See, next one. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. Look at the first question. A footnote appears at the end of the document. Footnote appears at the end of the document. We can see the footnote at the end only, no? End of the document. That's correct. Okay. We can write true for this statement. Okay. See the next one. You can have the same header and footer on every page of the document. You can have the same header and footer on every page of the document. That's correct. So we can able to keep the same header and footer for all the documents. Okay, that's true. Next, third one, you can insert the current date and time as footnote. You can insert the current date and time as footnote. That's true. We can able to insert the date and time. That means current date and time as the footnote. That is true. Next one, you can press the escape key to close the header and footer. So if you want to close the header and footer means we have to click on the close the header and footer option. Otherwise we have to click on the escape key in the keyboard. No, that's correct. We can write true for that statement. Okay, next last one. The insert end note option is available on a design tab. The insert end note option is available on the design tab. That's false. Is it? In the design tab, we can see the end notes in the design tab. No, it's not. It's available at the reference tab. Okay, so the end notes and footnotes we can able to see in the reference tab. So last statement is false. Okay, false. So first one is true, second one true, third and fourth also true, and last alone only false. Okay, next we can see the booklet portion. Look at third question answer. Already we have completed the first and second answers. No, see the third one, ma. What is the note reference mark for a footnote or an end note? What is a note reference mark for a footnote or an end note? The answer is note reference mark can be a number, a character or a combination of characters. It indicates that additional information is to be found in the linked footnote or end note. See the answer once again. Note reference mark can be a number, a character, or a combination of characters. It indicates that additional information is to be found in the linked footnote or endnote. So today you have only one question answer to study, okay ma? And also you have the book exercise, fill up and true or false. So learn that and we can see the remaining portions in the next class. Okay, bye, thank you.